Combining skate-ready engineering with classic Air Max heritage, Nike SB prepares to drop the Air Max 95 Cactus Flower in fall 2025, rumored for an August launch at $175. The sneaker swaps in skate-specific upgrades like added padding for durability and a raised platform to improve board feel, despite omitting the big bubble cushioning used in recent general releases. Hype has steadily built since early leaks and SB athletes teased pairs. Inspired by Tinker Hatfield's original gray gradient palette, the upper features earthy tones offset by vivid cactus flower accents along the tongue and cushioning. A gumsole not only links to skate culture but boosts grip for performance credibility. Official images recently surfaced, confirming its release as a continuation of Nike SB's hybrid approach, previously seen on the Jordan 4 SB. While release details remain sparse, the combination of retooled comfort, iconic styling, and skate function has already drawn strong anticipation.